In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Excel in Excel Online. In the modern workspace, flexibility and accessibility are key. That's why tools like Excel Online have become invaluable. Whether you're working from home, in an office, or on the go, having the ability to access your spreadsheets directly from a web browser without having to install any software is incredibly convenient. So let's dive straight into how you can utilize this fantastic tool. Our journey begins by navigating to the official Microsoft 365 Free Office Online website. This online suite offers free access to popular apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint directly from your preferred web browser. It's a seamless way to jump into your work without the need for downloads or installations. Once you find yourself on the home page, the next step is to sign into your Microsoft account. Click the Sign In button prominently displayed on the page. If you happen to be new to Microsoft 365, don't worry, creating an account is straightforward and opens a window to many free online services provided by Microsoft. After clicking Sign In, you're prompted to enter your email address. This is your Microsoft account email, the key to unlocking the Microsoft Suite's wealth of online productivity tools. Make sure to enter your email carefully to avoid any access issues down the line. With your email entered, click the Next button to proceed. You may be asked for additional details like your password or to verify your identity, depending on your account's security settings. Microsoft takes your security seriously, so follow any prompted steps to ensure your account remains protected. Following a successful sign-in, you're directed to the Microsoft 365 homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Here you'll find all the productivity tools you're familiar with, optimized for online use. Take a moment to explore, or head straight to our main attraction, Excel Online. Now look for the Excel icon and click on it. Just like its desktop counterpart, Excel Online offers you a robust spreadsheet environment all within your web browser. It's compatible with all your devices, ensuring you can pick up where you left off, irrespective of the device you're using. Upon selecting Excel, you're given a range of options to jumpstart your work. For our purposes, we'll begin with a blank workbook. Clicking on Blank Workbook opens a new, pristine spreadsheet ready for your data, formulas, and everything else you love about Excel. The interface is intuitive, closely mirroring the desktop version, but with the added benefit of cloud connectivity. And just like that, you've opened Excel in Excel Online. It's straightforward yet immensely powerful. As you explore, you'll discover all the familiar tools and functionalities are there, from cell formatting to complex formulas, all accessible directly from your web browser. Before we conclude, a few tips to enhance your Excel Online experience. First, remember that all your work is automatically saved in the cloud thanks to OneDrive integration. This means you can access your spreadsheets from anywhere, at any time, without fear of losing your progress. Additionally, Excel Online is designed for collaboration. Share your work with colleagues or friends and work together in real time, seeing changes as they happen. Excel Online is a testament to how cloud-based tools are reshaping our approach to productivity software. Streamlined, accessible, and feature-packed, it ensures that your favorite spreadsheet tool is always just a few clicks away, no matter where your work takes you. I hope this guide has been helpful, whether managing finances, keeping track of projects, or just organizing your life. Excel Online is a versatile tool that's ready when you are. Dive in and start exploring today, and remember the possibilities are limitless when you're leveraging the power of the cloud. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Happy spreadsheeting!